Are you tired of managing customer data across multiple platforms? Are you sick of accidentally duplicating your records and struggling with inconsistencies in your information? Well, that's perfect, because ZELIQ's HubSpot integration is here to ease your burden, remove duplicate records, and making sure that your data management is as seamless and consistent across all platforms as possible. Let's see how it works. First and foremost, let's start with connecting HubSpot with ZELIQ. All you have to do is head to our CRM setting, select HubSpot, set up your mapping rules, and everything is synchronized within minutes. With ZELIQ and HubSpot, you can easily sync your contacts between the two platforms. You can sync your entire HubSpot or just specific prospects with ease and set up exclusion rules for precise control. With ZELIQ, you can also map default and custom properties precisely to ensure you're only syncing what's necessary. You can also define synchronization. This word is so hard to pronounce. You can also define synchronization rules for each field and you're good to go. ZELIQ also lets you enrich both the new and existing contacts effortlessly. You can automatically enrich your HubSpot contacts with updated information from our extensive database, which means saying goodbye to outdated CRM data. With ZELIQ, you can also add LinkedIn prospects to HubSpot. Start with importing leads from LinkedIn with just a click and watch them sync into HubSpot in seconds. You can save time and effortlessly enrich their contact all at once. ZELIQ also allows you to add leads to HubSpot through our powerful database. With over 450 million validated prospects, ZELIQ simplifies lead discovery. You can filter by criteria like industry and location, import selected leads, and watch them automatically push into HubSpot. Finally, you can also integrate ZELIQ and HubSpot to streamline your communication processes. With this integration, you can automate calls and emails between the two platforms and sync notes effortlessly. So now that you know how to leverage the HubSpot integration within ZELIQ, all that is left to do is follow the link in the description box down below and sign up for our 2-week free trial at ZELIQ. See you in the next one, and happy prospecting!